We are on to groundwater. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all going to be stuff you need to know up here. Reference table, not going to help you. There's almost nothing in the reference table on this. So here we go. Let's start with the water cycle. First off, all of this, the water cycle, the fuel of it is the sun. Know that, okay? And it's really the sun. It starts with the sun evaporating water from the ocean and also from the trees. We'll get to that. But water, the process here, water, liquid water to vapor, evaporation. It goes into the air. It condenses into clouds. Clouds of liquid water drops, condensation. Falling from the clouds, rain or snow is precipitation. And those are things that you probably knew even from middle school. But some of the new ones are going to be when the let's say rain hits the ground. As far as the ground, it could do two things: either soak into the ground, that's infiltration, or stay on the surface and flow downhill. That's runoff. Okay, so one of those two things. The other process here that is not obvious to people is transpiration. Transpiration is water vapor given off by plant life. Plants, trees, grasses know that. Transpiration. As I noted here, because that comes up a lot, that word, transpiration, water vapor given off by plant life. So, here's another picture showing similar things. It's showing the infiltration. Let's focus. This would be a cross-section. Is if you could cut through the ground and see underneath. You can't. Well, the water that goes into the ground has to go somewhere, and it kind of gets stored in the open spaces of the, let's say the soil is kind of sandy, let's say. The open spaces in between the sand grains, that's where the water goes. And in this case, basically all of this is kind of dry soil, and this is all filled with water. So the top of this layer right here is called the water table. Okay, that's key to know, is the top of the water underground. And so if you were going to drill a well to get water, drinking for drinking water or water for your house, that well needs to go definitely below the water table. Okay. If you have that well and for some reason the water table was to lower, which it does, you have periods of dry, a really dry period, not a lot of rain, or maybe over pumping due to too many people moving into the area, this could go down. That well will run dry.